Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got this piece of mesquite that I've had forever and I've really never figured out what I wanted to do with it. And I'm thinking that kind of has a handle right here. So maybe I can make this like some type of a serving tray or something for the kitchen. I don't know, Father's Day's coming up. Maybe I can make it for my dad. And we're headed down there this next weekend. So it'd be a great time. Anyway, before we get started, make sure you hit subscribe somewhere along the way. We're growing the channel and I really am finding the motivation because of the comments and the interaction. So keep the thumbs coming up and the comments, and let's go make a mess. Yeah, so the little handle broke off right there, so I just took a scroll saw and cut that, and then maybe I'll just drill a hole, you know, to where you can grab it with your hand. I'm fixing to hit it with some sandpaper and get this thing cleaned up, and final product is right around the corner.